few days ago, I gave you a beautiful signal to take long on Solana. As you can see, it was 4 days ago because there was a significant open interest increase, volume buildup, and I gave you two targets, 96,108. As you can see, price nearly took first target. Because of that, we already closed part of our position inside our community. Some of my community members took significant profit. I want to show to you reasons why we took once more this trade, and how far we can go up and where we can take new trades. First, what was the reason why we took this beautiful Solana trade? As I mentioned to you before, there was the start of this significant rise in open interest. Open interest, it is a leading indicator. If there's significant volume build up at proper place, often price creates significant move. Additionally, if you pay attention here, open interest at this moment increased by 25%. Previous time when price increased, open interest increased by 22%. What had happened after that, as you can see, price did minus 29% more. Once more, at proper moment, price often create massive movement from significant open interest increase. What we did at this moment with my team, first, I already wrote to them to close part of this position to be risk-free, and also as my community member asked me regarding potential target. I want to show to you targets, and after that, what we can do the next. First, what's the reason why we closed part of position? It is simple because price already gave to us 1 to 3 risk reward, and we need to be greedy. Better to in trading, better to close by parts and sleep calmly. Additionally, price, as you can see, really close to range high, because there could be some consolidation, stop loss, etc. That's really a good place to be to close part position. What could be potentially the next target? It is exactly here. It is this low volume node. From my point of view, it is the most important target of this entire range. Why so? Because first, previously, as you can see, 0.5 VWAP deviation became powerful resistance, and price did this massive drop. Second, we have this untaken imbalance, which often price take. And honestly, it's not so big move for price to take this key area. It's only additional 16% move. That's why around 108, 111, it would be really wise to close a significant part of this position if you take it. Right at this moment, please, better to vote if you took Solana with me, because I would be happy to do it. What about next trades that we can take potentially? Before I tell you, my friends, remind you that you can join our community and you can get access to signals that we give on daily basis, updates that I give on daily basis, because every trade, every idea that we took together with our community, as you can see, most of trades we already took before this massive movement had started. Additionally, so many trading plans where I show to you where could be potentially trade ideas, really huge win rate. What you do below this video, there would be a link. You open such form, write your name, email, phone number with international standard, and after that, my team will show you details how exactly you can join. Coming back to Solana, regarding new opportunity, honestly, new opportunity is possible only if on Solana something like on Sui would happen. Have a look. As you can see, this plan that I shared inside our community, it was on Sui several days ago. As you can see, what I wrote, it was 5th of May. I wrote a new long only at VWAP. As you can see, price was at second VWAP deviation. And why I wrote so? Because price was overextended. And because if price overextended, there's significant chance of some stop loss hunt. And have a look what Sui did. Sui, after that, as you can see, it was exactly here where I shared this plan. Slowly retested VWAP, and after that gave 17% more. If you would take a trade here, your stop loss would be like 15%, 10%, too big to get any normal risk to reward. At VWAP, it's the best. And by the way, also, as you can see, all this movement on Sui started after this open interest increase. The same on Solana. At this moment, price too far from VWAP, price too far from really good place to take a trade. That's why where we will take a new trade, if price of Solana, at this moment, it is wise to go on a smaller time frame. If price of Solana would retest 0.5 VWAP deviation, at least 0.5, or VWAP itself, we will take new long. That's why that opportunity would be at this moment. It would be around 87, 89. It is a key area where we can take new long. But remember one important stuff, that VWAP, it is a dynamic indicator. What this stuff means? It means if price would make some move up, volume would trade, VWAP would migrate. And in the future, this key area could shift a little bit. That's why, from my point of view, it would be around 88 up to 89. It would be a really good place to take a new long to continuate this powerful trend. With a major target, it would be a second VWAP deviation. As you can see, second VWAP deviation played out good resistance. That's why in that case, something like this, such stop loss and such at least 1 to 3 such potential reward for a new trade. Globally, once more, globally, we still pay attention to this key zone. Regarding this key zone, it would be if you want to take a new trade and keep it until this key zone, it's super important to have some local consolidation, because I want to show to you several examples before some significant movement had happened. What was the best opportunity? Even this, pay attention of this downtrend. Price created beautiful value. Price retested, as you can see, this low volume node. Low volume node played out as a key resistant, and here massive trend continuation. The same here. Only after some consolidation, it would be possible to take a trade with bigger target. At this moment, you missed a good opportunity. Good opportunity was when I here gave signals and when I showed a trade that I took inside our community. That's the reason why you push like and follow me, because you can see how many powerful signals and updates we do on this YouTube channel, absolutely free for you. What you do right now, once more, if you took trade with me, you must be ready without any risk. If you want to take a new trade, you set up alert and you wait for key zone to take a new trade. And right now, you watch this video lesson where I show to you how I use open interest together with other indicators, how I use it together with VWAP, open interest, volume, because you need to combine. One indicator won't save you. You need to use all of them together.